So, hi everybody, whatever your name is. Today we're going to make a Lego Nerf gun. So this is all the pieces you'll need. So I don't know what everything is called because I don't know. So you need like some of these, which you those two. You need like a few of these. A few of these and like this much of these and two axles and two one by two axle brick, so you get to fit like the axle inside here. So you need two of those, and this probably, I got no idea what this is called. So, and you need like this much, like this much, where those are the bullets parts. So I'll show you how to make, I'll show their names later. So I'll start making the Nerf gun right now. First, you need this. Oh, and you need this. Those two axles, you see this one, so you put it somewhere flat and then put the axle right like this little, like this half, like this little into the two by 1 by 2 piece, and you need like two of them. Put it like over here. Don't forget that the axle part is facing out, so it doesn't block the bullet from coming in or out from when you're about to fire it. And then you just stack it up like what I'm doing right now. I only have those because this is all I can find. You can make it longer or shorter, doesn't matter. So, and then you need like a rubber band. You place it around the Nerf. So I don't have a Nerf sticker, so it doesn't matter. And put the Nerf in one side. I'll show you how to make a bullet. So you need like those, like a 2 by 2 brick, like whatever color I have those. So you need like to put like first a one color one and a 6 like this as the same color. Doesn't matter what colors over here or here. It can't be the same because I'll show you. Because if it's the same like that, I'll show you what happens. If it's the same, and you won't know when to like stop pulling on the rubber band. So